ayihamba mani ukudla kwani hamba hayi intandane yakumakhelwane ngenze masabhabhu ngakhuluma lo bantu hayi intandane yakumakhelwane ndawuzwisisa phela ngisho okunye ungasazwisisi intandane yakumakhelwane intandane yakumakhelwane ngakhuluma lo bantu mina ngise-Queen's Park umasabhabhu Queen's Park I'm a queen, my queen. Ngizama ukuhlabelela ingoma zaba le birthday ngiyapractice lapha ngithi my queen, you are my queen. Kambe
yiko kuzwile ukuba mina ngiyephuya ngizoqala ahambe ngifonela ngani so umntana nami imqotha njengeni ngenxa yokuthi lithi lise-Queen's Park.
So when ibirthday yakho iqakathekanga
hayi ibirthday yami of course iqakathekile but I want to understand why lina
ngiyazama ukurekhoda lapha you are my queen
uspark ke ngena
uspark one
anti Queen's Park
wena mntana nami ngithe park
kunjalo
park yani
Queen's Park ispark yani
my queen you are spark queen you are spark
iyasparka
awuwatsho njalo wena uzangihlukanisa lo
hayi engawuzwanga kuhle mntana
ungavumela umntwana abe nengqondo ezizahlukanisa angabi sensitive
hayi
engayenzanga ngathi ithiwa kumbe unyane wena
ngiyabonga shoba siyalenkohlane ngiyiqini ishwa esparklayo
queen spark you spark
ngiyabonga
usura baya bezama ukutshengisa ukuthi enhlizweni yami uyaspark spark
ngiyabonga shoba baba
kanti mbala ngibhizi ngiyapractice lapha you are my queen asihlabe you are my queen
you are my queen spark
you must queen you are my queen
I'm your queen spark
baba Angela usitshengisa uthando khona fane ukuthi abanye abantu bala-appreciate empilweni
ngiyabonga shoba baba
even kokawenzala kudala ukuthi sometimes ungafika ukuthi uyampapula uyafaka amanzi ebathroom ubuye umpapule babuye ngehlisa ebathroom unjani ukezi
ngiyabonga baba uthando lungaka
into esize-expecta ukudla sokuright
hayi maningi ebuya lokudla baba ngiyabonga
asambe
so guys kuhle shoba baba I'm very happy